In 1 Timothy 2 verse 13, Adam was first formed, then Eve. Because Adam was created first, God held Adam responsible and not Eve. When God came into the garden that evening after the couple had sinned, God called Adam and not Eve. Genesis 3 verse 9. Then the Lord called to Adam and said to him, "Where are you?" There is no place for male arrogance when it comes to the fall and who is to blame, as Adam sinned deliberately and willfully rebelled against God. Adam willfully went against God's authority. Adam's sin was an absolute disobedience to God's command and deserved the death penalty. Adam was not deceived. He sinned with his eyes wide open. The death penalty judgment was given to Adam and all his descendants for all times to come, will suffer because of Adam's initial sin.